If you clicked on this video, you're probably having issues with your stop start. I've just gone to Halfords and bought myself a battery to test it out. Same principle should apply to all the other cars. Most modern cars now have two sections of the battery, so they have the main battery for the car, and then they have a separate stop start battery, and when that stop start one fails, then your stop start will stop working and start to stop again as you stop and start.
Fucked up. That's the most fucked up shit I've ever seen.
I'm having a problem with the stop start function on my car. When I first got the car, it would always, when you got into the car, you'd see the green light and the stop start function would work, but over time it's just deteriorated and it's less and less, and I've noticed that in winter especially it would be worse, and now it's just completely gone. So the battery is not holding any charge and it's not charging, so it stopped working. Right, so we've been driving around for about 40 minutes, and the light is still yellow. So that means the criteria has not been met, but it's 18 degrees today, you can see, and the temperature is, what, 90 degrees, so it's at peak temperature. And if we press the stop start button, it disappears, and press it again and it comes back on. And when it's yellow, it just means that the criteria has not been met. If you had a fault, and you'd get a message, or it wouldn't appear at all, so it'd probably look like that if you didn't have the stop start function working. But my one is working and it's just not recharging, so the capacity on the battery just basically just deteriorated, and it's not charging or holding charge. So I've got ourselves a new battery and I'm going to try and fit it and see what happens. Right, so I'm in my engine bay and I'm guessing my battery is here somewhere. So I'm going to have to remove this cover to get access. This should just lift off. Oh, okay, so my battery is there. So I've got to take this cover off as well. And it looks like there is a bolt holding the battery in place. Looks like just one. So yeah, I'm going to figure out how to take this off and I'll be back in a sec. Oh, there you go. What's that? Oh, okay, so look, you get an air filter in there, cabin filter. And there's the battery. Okay, so what I used to undo this is a T40 to get that bolt off, and these are 10 mils. So I'm going to finish taking this bit off that holds the battery in. I don't think there's any more. I don't think there's any down there. Nope. And then just undo that one, slide that off, undo that one, slide it off. Okay, so I took the old battery out. I'm ready to put the new one in. I'll take this bit off. I don't know what it does, but put it on that one. Right, so the new battery's back in. It's all connected, positive first, then the negative. Holding bolt's been tightened. All we'll have to do is put the vent cover and filter back on, put the cap back on, and then give it a go. That cover's all back on. Close it up. Give it a go. If there's any charge in the battery, we might have to charge the new battery up a bit. Right, here we go. Start her up. Light's still yellow. Let's go for a quick spin. Right, let me get out and I'll come back. So yeah, just literally pulled out. 2 seconds later, a lovely green light for the stop start is back on again. We stop the car, engine stops, let go of the brake pedal. Yeah, car comes back on, all working as it should. Nice easy fix. Or not so, actually, yeah, the battery's kind of heavy, can be a bit fiddly. Maybe if you haven't done this, something like that before, then maybe get 2 of you to get someone to help you. But yeah, job done. Halfa's battery was £159. Had a £20 discount voucher, so yeah, 139. Not too bad, better than what Mercedes would charge. So yeah, right, it's green, all working as it should. Cool, peace.